Joyful jingles for kids.
I've got a puppy, fluffy and small. We play together, we have a ball. Whether it's sunny or a rainy day, my puppy and me, we always find a way. My puppy and me, we're best friends, you see. Running and jumping so wild and free, with wagging tails and a joyful spree. Together forever, just my puppy and me. We chase the kite as it flies so high. My puppy barks as it touches the sky. We dig in the sandbox, build castles so grand. With sandy noses, we laugh on the land. My puppy and me, we're best friends, you see. Running and jumping so wild and free, with wagging tails and a joyful spree. Together forever, just my puppy and me. When it's time to rest, we sit by the fire, sharing our stories, we never tire. Snuggled up close, just my pup and me, dreaming of places we've yet to see. My puppy and me, we're best friends, you see. Running and jumping so wild and free, with wagging tails and a joyful spree. Together forever, just my puppy and me. So here's to my puppy, my furry best friend. With you by my side, the fun never ends. From morning to night, and all in between, my puppy and me, we're living the dream.